the mother of a 26-year-old Jamaican man that went missing in Canada has been pleading to the community for assistance to find Alpachino Mignott.
Watch me, this is Wayne One, you know, so I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican here on the YouTube. On Monday, Manisha Nedmet, the mother of 26-year-old Alpachino Mignott, took to social media to share the news that her son, who is Jamaican, has been missing since Wednesday in Canada. Per the mother, who is asking for help, Mignott went to Canada on the 16th of October and was scheduled to return to the island last week, Wednesday. I had spoken to him on Saturday evening, and since then, I haven't spoken to him. Please, I'm asking everyone, if you know someone living in Canada, please ask them to share the post, says the mother, who also left a contact number of 876-319-5339. Now, I man see this youth, and this youth here look like someone that would know how to get around town. But this has reached the authorities, and the Niagara Regional Police Service is currently searching for this missing Jamaican. It's been reported the matter on their website, stating he was last seen in the area of Kent Street and Queenston Street in Street NTLO. I don't know what NOTL, excuse me. NOTL on October 19, 2024 around 10:45 p.m. His means of travel is unknown. Now, they're saying that if you have any information, you should contact the Jamaican authorities or the Canadian authorities. But this youth here look like somebody that can take care of himself. So I doubt that it's not one of those cases where a youth go to Canada and find it might be more prosperous to remain in Canada. It's unfortunate if he's really missing, as the mother has been, calling, trying to contact her son. And right now, youth, if you're out there, give your mother a call. Let her know that you're okay. And I don't want to downplay the situation, as Alpachino Mignott, 26-year-old, has been reported missing by his mother. He's a Jamaican, and he's in Canada at this time. And the Niagara Police has posted the information on their website. The mother has asked in the public if they have any information about her son to contact her at 876-319-5339. Alpachino Mignott, and he has gone missing. He went on vacation in Canada on 16th of October, and she haven't spoken to him since Saturday evening. Now, this youth here look like saying probably find a girl or something, in Canada. But like I'm saying, I'm not downplaying the situation. But 26-year-old, Alpachino Mignott has been reported missing by his mother. He went on vacation October of 2024, and she have not spoken to him since the Saturday that he arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, just reaching out, see if we could help this mother locate her son. So if anyone have any information on Alpachino Mignott, please contact the local authorities or contact the mother at the number that I've provided. More life, more joy, and I hope this youth is safe and more in happiness. Hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. Give thanks.
Deep Roots TV, when it's gun time for the action part. Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool,